హెచ్ఎంటీవీ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ అవార్డ్స్ ని లైవ్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
You need to be skeptic, you need to upskill, and you need to cope up with the upcoming technology. So when computers came, we have witnessed, I think our generation is really fortunate. We have witnessed many technology revolutions in our lifetime. Computers have come. When computers came, many people said the job is over, our jobs are killed. But computer transformed the working environment. It created many jobs, then it has displaced. Likewise, AI is also one such tool which will transform which is a shift in the job culture. We have to upskill ourselves. In order to survive, we have to upskill ourselves. So AI is not replacing jobs. So the people who are using AI will replace the people who don't. This was told by Sam, the CEO of OpenAI. And coming to the students, first I come to the parents. I congratulate all the parents who encourage their children to make them join in AI related courses, because with this you are not just giving a career for them, but you are giving the key for them to solve the world's toughest problems. And for students, you may get a doubt that when AI does everything, AI listens to us, AI answers us, AI gives outputs to us, then what is left with us? Yes, there is much left with us. So when AI gives answer, we have to think with our emotional intelligence. We have to curate the output. We have to question the AI, why, how, and what if. Not just accept the answers as it is. You have to pose these questions to AI in order to get a filtered, curated answer. So that is a part of students we do. And in order to cope with the AI, how to expertise or how to acquire skills in AI, you need to step one. I have 3 steps for you. Step one, you have to have a technical grounding. In this technical grounding, you need to learn the basic language like Python, as Python is the language of AI, and you need to understand the data structures. And if you know Python, you can customize AI tools. The second thing is you need to learn continuously and implement them. So learning is not just enough. As Bruce Lee said, learning is not just enough, just apply it. So after learning, you can learn from videos, from the tutorials available online, from the journals, from the textbooks. You can learn many things, but learning is not just enough. You need to